Get into a car with value. 2018 Nissan Titan. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.